Meet Victor Haruna-Francis, an accomplished project manager with a proven track record in successfully delivering enterprise solutions, software, and infrastructure projects. Specializing in digital and alternate channels, he has demonstrated expertise in driving business growth and implementing technology solutions across multiple sites and regions. Proficient in both agile and waterfall methodologies, Victor excels in new solution rollouts and enhancing operational effectiveness. Recently, he has honed skills in business process re-engineering, leveraging technology to improve processes across diverse sectors, including insurance, retail, and real estate. Over the past 9 years, Victor has consistently delivered client and customer-focused projects within budget and on schedule. With a round of applause, make welcome Victor Haruna-Francis to the Impact Leadership Conference.